Hi there, Vinnie from Project Frugal. We're going to test out this off-grid solar system. It's only 100 watts, but let's see how it goes. Here's the PVM solar charge controller. It's got two USB slots. We've got a little electrical mounting thingamajig over there. Don't know what you call that. There's some fancy name for it. Got a 600 watt sine wave power inverter capable of producing up to 600 watts. We've got three batteries over here which came out of an old uninterrupted power supply, UPS. There's another battery here. I think that one's a dud. Bought this big battery here. The photo on Trade Me said it was brand new. Well, it appeared to be brand new. Got it, and clearly it's not brand new. So currently this thing is not working. It's an off-grid power supply which I mounted somehow by some miracle together with this thing here, with these batteries and this inverter. Hello Reader and Speckles, you coming to help? Excellent. Here's the solar panel here. It's 100 watts. It's not working. Something's not working. Well, the panel looks okay. Connections seem to be okay. Cables are basically going down here, straight into the shed, through a gap in the shed. But she ain't working. Right, got some tools, got a screwdriver, a crescent, got a pair of pliers. Maybe these will do the job, maybe they won't. We've pulled out the socket set. We're going to need an 8mm socket. I need to attach this thing here to it. We'll chuck this extender on. Alright, so now we've got an extended 8mm socket. So we're going to get rid of this. I'm going to undo this. Maybe this is the problem, part of the problem. Get rid of this on this end. Pull out this one as well. Undo this one. I don't know if these are wired in series or parallel. I've got no idea. I'm not an electrician. I'm not an electrician, that's for sure. Maybe these batteries are completely dead. Who knows? Maybe the problem's not the batteries. Maybe it's the operator. Okay, so that looks to be negative. Let's try it on this one here. Let's see if we get anything. Yes, we've got something. So I think it's the batteries. I think the batteries are the problem. Right, so let's unplug that. Let's fade it out into obscurity. And let's see what we can do with this. I don't recommend you do electronics like I'm doing it. Clearly I'm a novice. Right, well that's semi-on. It's good enough for now. So it's hanging in by a thread on that one. That one's okay. We've ditched this whole thing here because I think these batteries are stuffed, but we'll have to check them out. Let's try this and see if it powers on. Oh, look at that. It's working. Or is it? Okay, well it's starting up. And then it's this sounds like the fan's stopping, so then maybe there's not enough juice in it. So I think the best thing is if we maybe just let that sit and we'll see what happens. And of course there might not be enough charge with the sun the way it is to even do anything, so we might have to leave this one till tomorrow. Maybe wait till we get a sunny day.
24 hours later.
So I had a crack trying to get some settings off this multimeter. I got no idea what I'm doing. Didn't have any joy finding anything of any use. Need an electrical engineer for that. This panel is not working for whatever reason. Right, we'll slip it up here. We'll see how that goes. Right, so we've got a charge here. Don't know how good that charge is. The battery's putting some stuff in. It's looking like it's liking that for some reason. We can check some buttons on here. 14 volts, 12.6. I think that's when it will stop pumping power into that. If it gets below 10.7. 24 6001 601 is the battery type, I believe. So maybe that's 13 volts coming in. Let's try this again. Let's put this on. Right, so presumably we've got some power. You can hear the fan going. Right, so now the fan's going consistently, which it wasn't doing before when we tried it yesterday. So maybe there wasn't enough power in the battery. So I think we'll just leave the power inverter on for a while. See if it just continues charging or doesn't, whatever the case may be. And then we'll do some tests. So we've now powered up this amazing Vion mini micro system with a CD player, radio and a Bluetooth. Got it for 20 bucks, good score, good for the shed. Plugged it into the inverter. Let's power it on. It's running off solar at the moment. Hello. And let's leave it going and see if it dies. We'll just try some other gadgets, see if we can charge some other things up at the same time. Got this nice little USB fan, costs $5. Got this phone here. No idea how charged this is. I'll try it anyway. And the last device is a tablet. Again, I'm not sure how charged this is. Looks like the CD player's skipping a beat. So we've got a rotten CD player, we've got a tablet that's already charged anyway, we've got a phone that may be charging. Who knows? We've got a fan that's going, and that's about it. So we've got 4 devices plugged in, and we'll see what happens. So we're going to select Cody on here. We'll watch a bit of free TV on the old Android tablet. So we're charging the phone, we're going to watch TV, we're listening to music, and we've got a fan going. Nice. I think it's not really handling the battery, seems to be going down in voltage. It's now 12.6, 12.7. It's full sun at the moment. Oh, we've got a bit of cricket, excellent. So we've come out quite a bit later, and it's still chugging away, it's still playing the TV. Yep, the phone's definitely charging. Those numbers have gone up. I've had this system for roughly just over 5 years, and it cost $590 all up. Some of these parts aren't working, like the original solar panel doesn't seem to be working. Can't get it working either. That's okay. I paid $198.90 for the original 100 watt solar panel plus the PWM controller. You can normally pick those up for around about sort of maybe 25 to 30 New Zealand dollars for this particular model. Then sort of the lowest end of the range. Got another solar panel, another 100 watt job, that cost $117. The Hayes battery cost $89. The inverter was $109.45. And the deep cycle UPS batteries were $15 each, so $60. So I've spent $590 on this, but if I was only going to use the parts that are working currently, it would have cost roughly about $360. So there you go, that's a price for you for a working 100 watt system with a 40 amp hour battery, which will charge up small devices and allow you to have some form of off-grid power. Got it working, we've got something working at least. We got the fan going, we got the TV going, we got the radio going, well the CD player anyway, and we were able to charge up a couple of devices at the same time. So it'd be interesting to see what happens long term, but at least we've got some sort of off-grid power, at least it works, and that's all you can ask for at this stage. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification for more, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.